Hi, my name is Ching, and I'm going to show you how you can build automations for your Excel or your CSV without needing to code using ExcelParser.com. I'm going to jump straight into an example. I like to download my bank statements and upload them to a personal financial management tool to track my expenses. But every time I download my bank statements, they come in this format. Now, my personal financial management tool doesn't like the format that it's in. I always have to first delete these first 4 rows here. And I also always have to change this cell to the word description. We can use ExcelParser.com to build the script without needing to code. We'll go to ExcelParser.com and we can create our own script. First, let's upload one of our files to see what we're working with. I'll add our first action, remove the first 4 rows, and we can see those first 4 rows are gone. Our next action, we want to change the value of one of our cells, G1, to the word description. And we see then that's changed there. Let's change the name of our script, Old Bank Parsing. And let's save the script. We can download this file now, and this is what it will look like. And now it's completely ready to be uploaded to my personal financial management tool. What's great is that I can use the same script and upload other bank statements that are in the same format. So this is the original February statement. It has the 4 rows, but once it runs through the script, all those things are edited just as we prescribed for it. I download this file as well, and we can see that it's ready here to be uploaded to my next tool. So ExcelParser.com is perfect for automating or scripting your CSV or your Excel files without having to code. And I hope you'll try it out. Thanks.